welcome to the second episode of Soul Fitness TV. I'm Whitney, and this is my lovely husband, Jose.
El dominicano, ya tú sabes.
Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's episode. Today we're going to do an unpacking episode. So Jose just got something in the mail today from Amazon. It's a tool that you might need at the gym. Maybe you don't know that you need it at the gym. So before we take it out of the package,
come on.
Let's talk about an exercise at the gym that a lot of people have a rough time with. And that exercise is
Pierna.
Squats. So oftentimes you hear people say, oh, I just hate squats. Oh, I just never feel comfortable in squats. I never feel strong in squats, or squats hurt my back or my hips or my heels, something.
Muchas personas siempre se quejan, ay, cuando hago pierna, me duele la espalda, me duele la rodilla, mi cintura, algo siempre estaba diciendo, pero dale.
So, because our mission is to bring to you tips and tricks that can help you live your best life and feel the best as you're working out and throughout your day, we are going to unwrap Jose's gift from Amazon.
Hace rato lo quería abrir, esta mujer y que no, aguántate, mira lo que hay.
Oh, what'd you get, Jose?
Mira, rápido, ya tú sabes. ¡Pam! Mira, oh, mira, nuevecito con el sello y todo.
So, it's a lifting belt. This is the Pro Fitness brand lifting belt. And what this does is it supports your lower back and all the corset muscles around your waist to give you extra support as you're doing squats.
Exactamente, solamente para soporte y para que te sientas seguro con la sentadilla que tú vas a hacer. No que tú vas a levantar más, sino te vas a sentir más seguro.
So a belt like this, why don't you show them how you can wear it?
¿No?
We'll share all the links below of where you can find this belt on Amazon.com, and we'll share later on in a video Jose doing squats in the belt.
Yes, ahorita vamos a mostrar yo haciendo ejercicio con esta correa y apúntate. Y esta correa la encontramos en Amazon, right?
Yeah. Thanks for watching this episode.
Gracias.
If you liked it, share it with all your friends, at least 3. And then subscribe below and hit the bell to receive notifications for our next Fit Friday video.
Alright, y recuerda, fuerte por dentro y fuerte por fuera.
And as we like to tell our friends and our clients, be strong inside and out.
That's right. Nos chequeamos, mi hermano, déjame saber, tírame, dame ala, va a volar.